2020 was indeed a year of change, but though these changes separated us physically, it proved that with technology, we can still be connected. And that is what Samsung is prioritizing this 2021. Bring the benefit of technology to more people. Hey guys, Kevin here. You're with the Modern Creatures and welcome to another video. We were invited by Samsung Philippines to be one of the first to see its next generation flagship smartphones here in the country. Now I know you're excited to see them already, so for this video, we're gonna take a closer look at the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. But one last thing, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell icon if you enjoy videos like this one. Now that's out of the way, let's go check out those flagship phones. For this year, we have three members of the Galaxy S21 family. There's the Galaxy S21, the Galaxy S21 Plus, and the Galaxy S21 Ultra. As always, the higher models have some upgraded features, but all generally share the same internals. And as always, they come in different sizes. The Galaxy S21 is the most compact of the three and comes with a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus dynamic display. The Galaxy S21 Plus comes at a larger 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display, and the Galaxy S21 Ultra spans widest at 6.8 inches with a sharper WQHD Plus panel. They all have dynamic displays that adjust refresh rates between 48 to 120 Hz, but the S21 Ultra goes for a wider range and can accommodate rates between 10 to 120 Hz. Turn the phone around and you'll see a new design. The flush camera housing now looks more refined with its curves and flow as compared to its predecessor and its blocky design. For the rest of its physique, Samsung is bringing new colors to the S21 series and they all come with a matte finish. The power button is easily reachable with the thumb, but going for the volume rocker and you'll need to crawl your grip up for about an inch higher since the placement is a little up there. This is for the S21 Plus and S21 Ultra, by the way, since the S21 has just the right size to easily reach both. Additionally, all models from the series are sealed with IP68 certification for water and dust resistance. Holding the S21 Ultra, there's a noticeable heft to it, especially on the upper half of its body due to the internals and the camera module as well. But overall, it feels nice to the touch and the matte finish effectively repels fingerprints and smudges. And one more thing, Samsung's officially said that it's removing its wired headphones and in-box chargers from the Galaxy S21 package in an attempt to promote sustainability. So there you go, no headphones and chargers, just like. In terms of imaging, all models can shoot 8K videos with Video Snap to easily capture ultra high-res photos. They also have a director's view feature that comes with Vlogger View, which uses both the front and rear cameras at the same time. The cameras also come with enhanced portrait mode, an improved space zoom for steadier shots while using their telephoto lenses, and a super steady recording in 60 FPS, so you have smooth footage even with handheld shooting. And to test its video stabilization, I did a few quick test shots with no gimbals and shooting handheld. Check out this quick footage. So what do you guys think? Not bad, right? I mean, it's pretty raw footage, but you can already see that there are no sudden jerks or shakes during the entire duration of the clip. Now for the camera setup, both the Galaxy S21 and the S21 Plus carry a triple shooter system with 12 megapixel ultra-wide, 12 megapixel wide, and a 64 megapixel telephoto lens. Both also have a 10 megapixel front camera to take care of your selfie needs. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S21 Ultra has a quad camera setup consisting of a 12 megapixel ultra-wide, 108 megapixel wide, and dual 10 megapixel telephoto lenses with laser autofocus. The dual telephoto lenses work together in a way that one is dedicated to mid-range zoom and the other for long-range shooting. For selfies, a 40 megapixel front camera is present. We've used them to quickly take sample shots, and so far the cameras delivered sharp and detailed photos. Here are more camera samples, but do take note that this is not the final camera version just yet, and more refinements will be done for the final units. As expected, colors are vibrant and picture clarity is on point. Although, as I've mentioned in our previous reviews, I'm not a big fan of going all out on its zoom, since while the technology is indeed impressive, the quality is still not something that I would personally post online. Selfies look great though, even with lighting from behind you. And for low light instances, the front camera still delivers quality that doesn't seem like it was taken in a dimly lit room. Let's now move on to the rest of its features. Samsung says the new series now comes with a larger ultrasonic fingerprint sensor to make it easier for users to unlock the device. They also come with stereo speakers by AKG, Samsung DeX for desktop functions on your phone, and an eye comfort shield to lessen eye strain. The S21 Plus and S21 Ultra one-ups the S21 with their UWB feature or ultra-wideband. This wireless communication technology makes it possible to use Samsung's SmartThings Find and locate Galaxy devices even when offline or communicate with your vehicle to perform certain tasks in the future. And exclusive to the S21 Ultra is the S Pen compatibility for added productivity. The top-of-the-line variant also features Wi-Fi 6E, which is said to be 4 times faster than normal Wi-Fi. Inside, the new Galaxy S21 series is powered by a 5nm processor that promises 20% increase in CPU performance, 35% increase in GPU performance, and an AI that's twice as efficient and fast than previous versions. Both the S21 and S21 Plus have 8GB of RAM and a choice of 128 or 256GB for storage. The S21 Ultra takes this a couple of notches up and offers you either 12 or 16GB of RAM and storage options of 128, 256, and 512GB. Although for the Philippine market, we were told that only the 8GB RAM with 256GB storage is available for both the S21 and S21 Plus, while the S21 Ultra will come in 12GB RAM with 256GB of storage. Of course, battery capacity also comes in different options. There's a 4000 mAh capacity for the S21, 4800 mAh for the S21 Plus, and the largest is at 5000 mAh for the S21 Ultra. All devices come with wireless power share, so you can top up other compatible devices, super fast charging for wired connectivity, and fast wireless charging. With the short time we've spent with Samsung's newest flagship devices, we were able to see that the company is dead set on appealing to those who demand the latest mobile innovations. With the lineup's new and more elegant design, immersive display, pro-grade cameras, and powerful internals, the new Galaxy series of smartphones is ready to be that premium handset you're probably looking for. That's about it for our first look and hands-on review at the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Do you have any questions about these 3 phones? Leave us your comments below and we'll do our best to answer them. And as always, be sure to visit our website and follow us on our social media pages for more tech news, features, and reviews. Once again, that's it for me. I'm Kevin. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you on the next video.